Oh yeah. What the hell? Sheesh, man. Motherfucker. Crack screen. Still, it's all cool. It's good. It's good. It's good. Oh yeah. I'm trying to tell you, man. Salutations across the nation. Man, much love to Garrison Lane. Much love to when I first smoked this strain. Shout out. It was Memo, Cookie Monster, Perp Gloves. My own town that put me down on Garrison Lane. The Bay Area put me on Garrison Lane. Oh yeah. I can smell that wood, man. Alright, you got lessons on how to open this. Let me see, that's the G, that's the L. Yeah. Man, how the fuck I open this shit? He told me. He gave me a tutorial. This is tight. What the hell? I love the smell though. Shit. Man. Oh. The dope thing about this shit is YouTube was that on the letter. Man, these people been dope. They got actually dope ass seal. Authentic. A seal sealed with gratitude. Certifying the authenticity of this shit. Having trouble opening the box? YouTube puzzle box. Alright, yeah. Wait. Yeah. Sheesh. This is some cold shit, Jack. My hands is black from your goddamn pants. Man, I don't get these pants. These. Much love to my Indian folks, but man, y'all getting over now. Y'all come over here. Y'all come to the dealership. Y'all buy cars. Y'all want the lowest price on a car, but you guys want full price on your jeans. You guys are. It takes $5-10 to make these jeans. That's heavily inked. That rubs off on your hand all day. And you sell them to us over here. We gotta work something out, man. Or MC Goom. Sheesh. Now what the hell? Now, this shit, Jack. Oh, okay. So this is gonna go. No, this is gonna go. Wait. So where we go. The hell? But smelling this shit. Oh, this shit smells so good to me. Let me see. How do you open up? Oh, okay. So, we have the puzzle. Let's YouTube this shit, Jack. YouTube puzzle box. Much love, Garrison Lane.
Welcome back to the workshop. For this video, we're doing a very cool step-by-step tutorial on how to make your own mystery puzzle box like this one you could use in a mystery escape room. This project was inspired by Lowe's, who flew me out to Ohio, locked me in a room for 60 minutes, and blew them into place right now. We can actually... I do want to mention that when you add these pieces to the top and the bottom, it is helpful to cut a 45-degree angle off of the inside. That way when they slide into the box, there's less tension. Now this is the part where we bring back our mini screwdriver we made earlier. You want to drill a 3/8 inch hole on the same, and the coolest thing is it's just made of very simple materials. It costs about $3 in materials, paint sticks, hot glue, and some miscellaneous parts. This was inspired by the spirit of DIY that came to me from Lowe's Home Improvement Center. They flew me out to Ohio, locked me in a DIY escape room with some power tools, and gave me 60 minutes to create mechanisms to escape. If you want to see the video of how that went down, click the link at the top of the description, because it was a real adventure and it wasn't just
shit, man. That shit ain't telling me shit.
A PSA to remind you to stay hydrated. Very important when working long hours. However, I did want to show you a bit of a physics hack. You can try this at home. If you take a piece of cardboard or a coaster or anything, and you lay it over top your pint glass, the suction created by the water and the air inside the glass will sometimes, not always, will sometimes make the cardboard stick, which is kind of like magic, but not really. If you want to do
motherfucker, talk about the box.
And I'm guessing the other compartments. 5 compartments so far. Oh, hello. It looks so good. I mean, aside this, I do have a little bit of a crack here. I guess that happened during shipping. But aside from that, the patina on this and everything else is meant for it to look old, and it looks like one of those ancient sort of jewelry boxes. So they say this is a level 8. We will try and confirm that for you today to see how hard this thing actually is to get open. So, first things first, we spin. Okay, nothing happened. First thing, there was this here. This is it seems to be locked, so I'm guessing that this compartment is the one that we have to open. That being said, there are 12 compartments in this, and they have...
Hi, this is the Puzzle Guy, and welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you the trick box. Trick box means that it's going to be a hidden compartment inside, or maybe 2 hidden compartments. So this box is made out of wood. It's pretty well made, so there is no free play in parts, and it's pretty difficult to guess where you have to start. But anyway, this puzzle is not very difficult. I think it's level 1 out of maximum of 5, so it's not going to take a lot of time to solve it. But because it has hidden compartment, it may be a good present to your friends if you put something inside, and give them this box. If you want to see the solution of this trick box, you can keep watching the video.